haji sarabi loya ye mulu tanga mo faja wola kajama tanga soranja tanga bu jawola juroy ke haji sara jula aha ko fi banani tawsiri banna ngwambe julo me julo he gambia lo ya dabo
laftawo min plela mantano nalon indandiro kenyalam bi baflal bi assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh baflal bi suta dima anal badima sirifo sonko aka bayo sonko alne wala be bi ko kacha bi tembo min kono ten naba nyama na commanda men kada kadim rasuliti wala nyanta tarla jang bari allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kerolum kadim natna sangole soto wala yatina kadim amanna na no comme ala normal programme mel yalon ko keke amanna na ke ka keno bi but nevertheless inshallah dolfana minajan dron comme ana be 30 minutes update let dron ka diala comme cool mel yalon ko be caring sa taw kono jam comme ka nyo hakilo blondala ka fu gambe dingole cool be laring la bulul mel nyama auto comme de melaje nyamen dron sa ce programme nyinta ka continue ka fale ko assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa ta'ala wa barakatuh badin gambiyan kolu ba flale alal badin malon ko na fale nyamen silfo sonko an wala be jen ka kacha bi na kacha damu menti bi na kacha damu menti wala na banyun international airport badin gambiyan kolu na hakilo bakam last week ma fon al nyaajele masakunda e kaytol fintindi on safa go Gambia civil aviation e kaytol fintindi kayto me ya foko Gambia dingo on da momoro ni me ya lon ko ibe tambila anim banjun international airport la o momoro ni me ya lon ko ibe bolnan e ka bonan to abdullah ba on da ibe findi kan Gambia kono ya foko ni futata mokum anyanda ka dola muwan na jo o dola mo nyi menatina dola mo nyi be jola lafta drong nim banko dingulu prunzo sia nyote man na nyo haklo blandi na to nya fo nyoy bari ning banko ta da fafuta tembo me ya lonko kuma kam buka fono banko dingul kuma me ya lonko banko dingul se wala tano so ta be kuma ya tol me ya lonko ka kiskisi rolke na to nya nyinta ka sama nan ka landi banko dingul ka dum banko dingul so na ka to nya le moy wayatina ni airport la faro me alon ko be kering airport nyinto na kiskisi roka koto na mello nje mbola fulali bar an sa ande kiskisi ro nyi abe tentenna kaji go mina ya tinna o be kela mina ya tinna e be la faro kela airport do kadu naji le bankol to amanga ko mon Gambia banko folodi banko me alon ko ela airport o security soto ela airport o many kind of security security sector soto but say niaji be mina ya tinna Gambia airport o ba fula moliye ko momoro nimbe dunna momoro nimbe fintila ibe dola mo ibola jola ngale ko Gambia ko Gambia wafitale Gambia ya wafile nin nafu moli sa fa ko nyulmo politicien wol ledi baran kale ko ntolu manke politicien wol dammati baran tolu mo ledi mel ya lonko nan Gambia banko laje ntolu mo ledi mel ya lonko ntolu mo nyebe toleti nin kom mu nyebetoti wala nyindi ko ndol kadun dulado damante alonko ibuke hillan tol mawo dulanyinto wala ya tinna ambari Gambien ko na nyum ko kisasile na lo dula long na ko kiskisi na to nyanyi long anu to nyanyi Gambia dongul mbola fulale Gambia dongul ñing new airport levis me ka foko momo alon ko ebe fintikan ebe dunkan e nyanda ka dola mo ngala joje mina ya tinna yafo Gambia dongul na kesi siroke na mellonje milan mbola fulale e ka fo le ko secure airport because mila kada kabila ñing Gambia falenta many international security airports wole nata jang. There is one security secure airport. Wole nata to collect data. Kamola data ta ke collect. Okay, say look at this. For Gambia government in Kelanova. For Gambia government ta Kelanova. Yena ID karota ya sika yadi foreigner. Say na amuta kodanke sign na airport do fana na data me ya longon ka collect in and out. Yo fana sika yadi foreigner la yadi a foreign company yadi wala bari iman tonya fa mole but même ko je wala ñundiko ñim foreign company ñing they cannot have their money from the from the airlines because airline will yalla nako is a fraud airline solo wala yalla nako is a fraud so wala tin the deal airline solo well they might not agree with them in adding comme kafoko numo tiro setolo bulu yanana ketolta ke compensate. So what they do is now, because this is a mafia government, it's a mafia government. Wale atina emake in a way, for example, you have to pay upon your arrival, and that upon your arrival, how are you going to pay it? Physical cost. Physical cost. So because minakata kodo nyimbe dila jelato ida malba tarala nyotema. Because that guy is an investor. And look, même from where I call Manandi. Sierra Leone is not from here. He's a foreigner, he's from Sierra Leone. I know the person, I'm not going to say the person name here, but he was an ex-minister in Sierra Leone. So if he's an ex-minister in Sierra Leone, Wale is the first person to bring this deal here. Is the first person to bring the deal here. He was an ex-minister in Sierra Leone. So in Nataka Ruinata, Gambia Airport to collect people data. Your system ya set up gay. Yes, it's important. Meta kofole. But don't go sign. It's very simple sign. Gambia we have na ID card on your sign. It's already biometric. So now na ID card is biometric now. Those people will be na biometric control. They are the ones controlling our data. Mina atina semlex kilo me aloko will be na data control. It made a massive amount to secure our airports. Why they don't secure our ports, our gateways? Mina atina will unsign. They are only interested because Gambia bola nyama. They are only interested in military. Wala mnyendeko Gambia do will na fulo bola damento. Gambia la ID card munun jeleti. ID card munun jele du Gambia jang. But say kabri semless nada ani ya jembe. Me ya lonko ani kabri ya jembe ni pristine yake. ID card munun 200 let. ID card munun 200 let. Say kabri ko semless nada ya ID card push to 450. Say 450 Gambia no ba wala jokam to get the identity card. Say Gambia do me ya lonko wolle be outside. And Gambia do me ya lonko wolle be jang. And to our Milano Canada Kafindi. Now they bring a new investor. Alaji mede, a new investor samana Pukanaka Gambia Dumulta, K Yellow Saba. New investor. Because never nyama, dunia down running. If you go anywhere else in the world, upon arrival in the airport, they take your details. Either they take your fingerprint or they take your what, but anywhere in the world, if you arrive in the airport, the immigrations are there. And we are paying our immigrations. And our immigrations are well trained to take fingerprints of every individual arrival. You know, dunia da running. Iba immigration will be searing. Immigration will be searing. Kamola arrival all ta kela out and kela in and out ninta. To collect every data ka momo killing. Ibotin no muntole, ekata muntole, ila address muntole wolle kata, and they put it in the system. So if in the other, for example, Gambia no manually, yes, still Semlex can bring the system there. So why Gambia do sign? Iba Franyoko Nyantaka Kodole Jo upon arrival in the airport. Upon arrival in the airport, you come back Kodole Jola and Kodo Ning Bill Line Telefali. Gambia government mafia will link investol ni mafia le be kodo nyin talala investol ni mafia wala be kodo nyin talala Gambia dungulu but Gambia la woti e kana wado ke la 419 jamote ka fo molie gadara dairy masakunda me alon ko aka business oke ala banku dungul ala banku dowlu aka business oke wala masakunda me alon ko ila dakana tourism ta ka fa. It's all about this. Il have taken the tourism lafa, bringing mafia station in our airport. Can't forget those people are there to secure our airport. These are mafias Milalongo. They are paying them. These are mafias Milalongo. They are their business partners. We know everything. Now they are their business partners. Il a business partner Lamudi. Il a 419 deal Lamudi. It's all about 419. Gambia dul nimba foka wati isa foko nyulu politicien lati isa foko nyulu kamfate bari man kamfa yenna bankola wafi Gambia dum jalla kaji Senegal insurance Gambia jang look alaji bele look at if you go into our insurance system it's completely not secured Gambia jang insurance order that insurance is just a paper kayti ken sawolem ate mari makal no fento insurance o Gambia Senegal la insurance o niajibe Senegal la insurance o is very valid but Gambia how many insurance companies are here making money out of Gambian people ibe kodo soto Gambia dumula abemu 419 say the airport of Falasai yes so-called company samana yes station je ka fogo world they are there to secure our airport. What kind of securing our airport is that? But milakena na masakunda ni mafia be deal kan we know them very well we know them ne lonne billahi ne belon andum no suda minajam be to fola mbe kayto to nyini kan don kayto ni mbole nyini ke bulu nyim bulo la kayto kan don mbe kayto nyini dila Gambia bela albeyaje yes mbe kayto dila ebe albeyaje so Gambia mbe nyina kono say ni ajibe say tori sol say alajibe Gambian ko alajibe say yamira yana ala etike do jo ya fly to Gambia Niajibe, Senegal flight, Senegal ticket is cheaper than Gambia ticket. Senegal ticket. To fly from Senegal to anywhere else in the world is cheaper than you fly from Gambia to anywhere else in the world. Gambia jang, you fly Gambia jang, kata dulabdron no dunia kono. Wole jawera dina ka fly Senegal kata dawdron no dunia kono. Sai wo labaro beje, e more control no, e ma try no to make more efforts to get more airlines to be coming to the Gambia, but now they are putting more pressure on. More pressure. It's all about this. Gambia ni ajibe jang, flight jele ka ji jang, Gambia jang, flight jele ka ji Gambia jang, but flight jele ka ji Senegal kono. Senegal be kato ke kang pour Gambia la tourism fa, say masakunda ko mbal ma ko ele, linkali ko Gambia say abe Senegal la bulu. Gambia be Senegal la bulu. Anu mba fola sama na kuyate me yenya nung Gambia be Senegal le bulu Senegal la soja la marla Gambia la anu say Senegal le be marla Gambia la investment be la na julburu jibe ba julburu be jang ya kada fo julburu fa boro na si Senegal kono julburu hinang I borte na Senegal kono say doloni fobe e ka bebo dina Senegal ya smogul ya samananjang the same mafias the same mafias julburu ka mendo ku say o mafia la ka smogul ya samana inside this country alajibele nimba foka ko nyulu mo kam fatol yes dol mo kam fatol leti ha na di ata yafo sa Gambia mina muntati yena tax men fana yalon ko Gambian sa collect no we can collect our own tax we can secure our own airports yena nan you are trying to sell this country ngale ko mbota men kono ngado men kono wala jawata mbota men kono Gambia dumul ala nyaayele billahi mbota men kono homo domandi ngolete bari ya jambe ni ya kala akala fla ya kela par sa mi lebe keri ni system mo membe keri wala nyundu ko janni ba kela follow e ka nyaton ko la da fan e ka nyaton ko la bulo nondi ni ya da bulo nondi doron sa yim gasila fenna sa yi ba kela doron 419 tak 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 419 tak 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 Gambia ñi lebe keri na la malon sa faliye sa yi lebe kela sa Gambia sa na le ajibe sa nale ajibe say tourisme le alon ko mina jang tourisme la say ibe kala jila mun tole jila Sénégal ne jila Sénégal yana ba lanna de only pay laisser passer ye laisser passer joye du Gambia kono can $20 is not a small money yes and they knows that very well ko flight from anywhere else from the world to come to Senegal is cheap. For example, you are going to pay $55,000 to fly to Gambia. Along in Senegal, you are going to pay like $48,000. So you pay $48,000. 48 out of 55. You have 48 out of 55. You have about $7,000. You can rent a car from Senegal to here. Less than that. If you guys are family. So you pay whatever. So look, if you guys are 7 in numbers, Alaji Besai, more warawula. Family kilo more warawula. Say ba yelo ko say Senegal because mi la gëna Senegal la airport oni ngale ko Gambia Allahu akbar ni na befo e ko nyama tollem ni na befo e ko wulugol dem Senegal la airport oni is a kind of loan Senegal airport oni ya develop and they are ready ka je ko ya ko do men spend la airport ya bondi science jumala be ma ko la loje mafialu jumalu Gambia la mafialu ngale ko Gambia jang Gambia be mo lebul be la ko banku dewul ntit Gambia be mo lebulu mel manka banku dewul di sa fa sa mba ko wala ñam andu wala jibe de kabrin GIA Gambia aviation kabri ba fa la he ko ñaadi le Gambia because we have been directed they have been directed who directed them office of the president or what who directed them? They have been directed by who? By Minister of Transport. Minister of Transport is directed by who? By the so-called cabinet, the 419 cabinet, the family cabinet. The family cabinet. Because it's the mafia family cabinet. Gambia, Allah bankobe mafia al-bulu. All these investors, they are positive. All these investors, this is the way they are dealing with them. Because it's all about partnering. This is all about partnering. Yalo mol ka fogo ya jembe kono tabulu. Ya jembe abe kono sotlal because mi lagada ya kenu wala nyama. As a president you are here, ibe investor la samana. Na jibe Mohamed Bassi ñol. So the new Mohamed Bassi are coming. The new Mohamed Bassi, the likes of the new Mohamed Bassi are coming. Imina kande. So imina nyadile, it's like this new airport tax. Who are the one doing it? It's a private company. It's not the government of the Gambia. And the money is not going to the government of the Gambia. Because if the money is going to the government of the Gambia, the government got the new airport development fee. Gambians, they can put that one inside the flights. Every airport has a developmental fee. Dunia Dauda Osule. Yes, we believe that our airport can be developed. Our airport can be developed, yes, we know that. Everybody can pay developmental fee to our airport, but not in this way. It's not in this way. You can put it to, look, Gambia Galeko, Gambia Masakunda Fota, credible people all the time. Decision maker, there is no sober person in the cabinet. But Mila caring because they believe that the airline companies may not agree to pay those 419 people. Airline company, they will not agree to pay those 419 so-called secure airport people. So Gambia Tonya mina killing. Billahi ndale nyum fali. Tonya killing. Yes. Tonya mina killing. So about the airport, this is what exactly is going on there. This is what exactly is going on in the airport. It's a private company. Mayor Loco, they only came here to loot. To loot our national resources. To loot our money. Kanya kodo sunya. In other words, kanya pinkang. Tribula ba kunteo kanya pinkang. Banku dumul albe siring. Ibe nyapilal kang ibala kodo talal bulu. Jepitale kanjanne yalla gateway ta mafia da mal yalla gateway ta me ya logo ya jambe ka wala control nu ya jambe ka wala ta Gambia dum albuga femmo yo koto albe deri e ka fale ko ha now we are collecting the gateway through this the new way of collecting the gateway. We liberalize it. Ko ya liberalize it. Gambia jam jana comme son albe ya moyle jana comme son gateway ya jambe kodo jelle soto kono gateway ya jambe kodo jelle soto na gateway do sa wo gateway kodo nyi ale wo gateway kodo nyi ale ya tala mafia tema GSM compagnie da malba tala ka nyotema e be kickback ko dikela. We know everything. GSM compagnie da malba tala ka nyotema e be kickback ko dika nyola. We know everything. Fale amena malo na lonne, and we will say it. We will say it. Gambia say mina mun tol tati ala fuñ. Gambia minimum tol 30 left aliafa mole Gambian ko minimum 30. What is our own? Don't tamu mina di sa ala fonyi. But say mina kere because mina kere ya lon ko. Hey Gambia, Allahu Akbar. This is all about the trick. The next move there is they know that in 2020 2021 many Gambians will come home. So they want to make life hard for the Gambians. Life hard for the Gambians. Ibe Gambia dumulu ani iba ko landi kanama molmen nyanda kana Gambia jang pour kana ka ID card ota. Molmen nyanda kana Gambia jang. So it's like they are making $20 obviously among the college amount, huh? It's like 800 800 to $20. $20 is like 800 or maybe 1,000, maximum of 1,000. So saying, it's here. But what is going on or what's happening? The truth is truth. Tonyamu waleti. So, if I remember go $20 a month Tonyafo, Tonyaman Sata. $20 is a Fongola partnership. But Niba Fulamul for Yavamologo is partnership. That they are dealing with a private company. But look, the government is never giving reliable information to the Gambians. Who is the one controlling that secure airport? Who is the one collecting that data? What is the name of the company? What is the name of the company? What is the agreement between the Gambia and that company? And why? And how did how the contract was awarded to the guy? It is through bidding or what? Akumadale. For your bidding, it is through tender or it's not through tender. Because Bangkok can deliver contract award to anybody. It needs to go through procurement. But now, because of what? It doesn't go through procurement. It was single-handedly given to that company. It was single-handedly given to that company after making trials for how many years? They were here. They were doing trials. We know everything. I know everything. Membula chodikande. But mbafalele. Dembe jam. Fama palanding. Me aloko masakunda talamu. Masakunda nyanda ka kodo kodi bondi. Anyanda through procurement. When we have GPPA. GPPA. What is the purpose of GPPA? Sanina, for example, you are given that one as public-private partnership is not a problem. Public-private partnership is not a problem, but say Bankudur Nyandaka Kalamudale, Bankudur Nyandaka informally, and Bankudur should compete in bidding for that particular thing. If you are giving it as a private entity. Now a private entity, Bankudur Nyandaka tender nyinke. You have to make it a tender, Bankudur tender ke. But Minatina Mata Yaki through a tender. If they are doing that, if they want to secure the airport and they want to give it to a private company. But they are giving it to a private company and it doesn't go through the right procedures. It went through the right procedure. The right procedure, Jumaleta. Alaf Bankudung Alaf. Alaf. So this is what they will do. And again, they are taking loans for the airport. You want to develop the airport, you are taking money from the Gambians, and you are taking loan again for the airport. Yes, you are taking loans from the they are taking loans to develop the airport. The new development, this new OIC men kana thing. Ibe kodo don takang. Ibe kodo don takang. Mole. Kodo banko la kodo. Ibe don takang. Pour que development no ni kasamana. And you are still putting more charges to the Gambians. Na tourism industry ala jibe sai. Na tourism industry ala jibe. Gambia tourism industry abe sala nyaadile. How can the tourist industry goes up? When you are making more harm into our industry. And Gambia tourism ka fa nyaming funding jawol be lose la doko wala nyamba. Funding jawol to doko set la wala nyamba e ba job employment no nyim fana bet nyala. How many percent in our GDP tourism ka men sama nanje. So what is the intention of this government? The government intention of me design bad in Gambian ko ala funye. Because tourism is one of the key sectors me alongo. It rise our economy. It only raises our economy. Tourism mulaka na economy da ka seleni cento. Say neata tourism inside. Banko fere saying. Banko me alongo aka balu anin tourism lela. Banko me alongo aka balu anin luntawol lela. O banko fele ay kala wasama na kakani luntawol tema. Ako Senegal ko na luntawol beta. Ha. Senegal ko na luntawol beta. Gambia no jella ka ji Senegal kono because of the keep flight Senegal ka men soto. Gambian jala kaji Senegal kono because of the keep flight Senegal ka men soto. Say you are making more harm to that. It may mira how you are going to ease the transport cost of Gambians coming home through by air. Masakunda emu fere la kabrina ta kaje ko Gambia la airport to jang kaje ko Gambia la airport to ngamenjo etela gago ni ana bagaso fo memo bagaso di gago this gago plane Gambia jang nin gago plane mina jang the amount of money you pay. Yes. No. What it's all about trick. Because the money they will take from you in Senegal, it's just 419 there. It's not something you pay in there. Many Gambians, Gambian Jamal like a taman in jail. But it's not part of their rule. Senegal can make wala ñuko Senegal ila airport ila investment ikata through airlines Senegal there is many airlines flying through Senegal. Air Portugal, Air France, Air Italy, Air, Brussels, Air Morocco, Air Turkey, all these places Senegal. They all come through Senegal. And Senegal can make sure all those people, they have to pay the relevant tax. They have to pay the relevant tax. Because Senegal airport is a big load. It's a big load on the Senegalese people. So they will make sure they do that. But Senegal, I need a silo memu siloti. Ikajole, because these are all investment. You might have investment. If us France and Senegal, it's about public-private partnership. Yes, public-private partnership. But it has to go through tender. Mambala, Masakunda ta bekelano. Masakunda cannot provide everything for the Gambians. Masakunda ta bekelano banku dungole. Saying, but some of the things through public-private partnership lady. But through public-private partnership in partnership with a local content. Who are the local content? Well, in the Gambia Dul or a Gambian company. A Gambian company. But this company they are going to do this tax collection. This $20 kajo for the purpose of that company. We know the guy is a friend of who? It's 419, I know. It was 419, my brother. Sister, I know it's 419. Abakala 419 donati. You from the UK, huh? You from the UK. You look. Let's look at the places like Dubai. Look, places like Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. These are places man go but they are not charging anybody in the airports. Good, because you don't do any. That's it. It's 419 because you have not done any COVID-19 test. So because it's all gonna be that. Dubai airport more like a G-water every day. So if Dubai is taking that money from everyone, how Dubai? Because look, I've been Bangkol sotana Bangkol Malayalongo ika balu through aviation Bangkol because Dubai najibe Dubai Qatar and other places ika balu and aviation traveling and tourism but what na najibe Dubai ila visa anyim you have to buy it Dubai visa ika send right many of these Asian countries you buy their visa because they are business destination only You can pay a company for them to say, secure a visa for you. And upon arrival, for example, let's say if you are from Gambia or some part of the Dubai, let's say, 90 hours sotaje. 90 hours, for example. 90 hours sotaje. If you airport, you have to pay in that way. Because transit them. You can stay in Dubai, but you are going to pay. And Dubai, nekadaje 3 months visa I call it dealer. Then 3 months visa in Banta. And you have to Dubai Konole. Say by you have to pay ticket again. So Gambia Dubai government Fananga Sotoke or Konole, on that ticket on you kono. So you have to go out. And if airline you might use Emirates or you use any airline, they are flying from Dubai to wherever in the world. So what they're gonna do? Dubai near 3 months visa dealer. If you have 3 months on your one single day, now la fata you have to pay. This is how they get money again. They got colossal for another. One single day, now la you have to pay it. One single day. Now la So the more days you can spend illegally, the more payment they are going to put on you. On you they have to go measure on that. So in aviation be colossal ka Gambia also can do the same system. If you want to make any charges, put it on the tickets. Link with the airlines. Any airline link to they can pay there. So those airlines, the passage the airport, the immigration, whatever data can collect in and out. Immigration on you, that data will be through the central data, and that central data is what is going to charge the various airlines or and those people they will pay that money directly to the government coffers. But why? Why? 419. Yes, come in, let's say for example, Gambian call it. Okay, South Africa. So South Africa, ticket will be charge the ticket on this is the insurance, this is this and this. Yeah, be Joe. That very place. Yeah, Joe J. Say by local, Joe J sign.